Welcome to Sophic TV. I'm Sarah Solomon. We're chatting with Chris Hickey from Elbit of America about their sustainment and support solutions. Chris, thank you so much for being with us today. Most viewers may be familiar with Elbit America's products, but not as familiar with the sustainment and support solutions business that you lead. Can you tell us about the services Elbit America performs?
We have a broad range of capabilities in Elbit America that start with platform logistics. We can support fixed wing, rotor wing, and land vehicles. We do modifications, upgrades, and logistics support for those vehicles. We also have a component avionics and electronics center of excellence, where we can do component repair for over 3,500 different components, including Elbit America and non-Elbit America equipment. And that repair scheme ranges anywhere from a single repair of one LRU all the way up through and including performance-based logistics that take care of entire systems.
In which areas of aftermarket support does Elbit America focus and excel?
We have a center of excellence that has a broad range of capabilities. Again, not only Elbit America equipment, but other non-Elbit America equipment as well.
What can you share with us about your reverse engineering and rapid prototyping capabilities?
What that does is allow us to provide a fuller service, one-stop shop, as it were, for the user for all the equipment in their platforms.
What successes should we be watching for coming from Elbit America's sustainment and support solutions business?
We can deal with simple displays all the way up through the most complicated helmet-mounted displays, HUDs, mission computers, etc. Elbit America is expanding its avionics and electronics center of excellence to expand capabilities around electronic warfare and radar systems. I think you're going to see a lot of investment in that area for us and a lot more capabilities to provide to the warfighter. Secondarily, we continue to add platforms to our FAA Part 145 MRO. That MRO is also 82101C certified, which is a critical requirement for our military customers.
Chris, I want to thank you so much for joining us and sharing your insight. And to learn more, head over to elbitsystems-us.com.